against Floyd Mayweather next year.
Against Floyd Mayweather?
Oh,
What?
thank you.
準備はできてます。
Could you please say something?
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me here. Sorry for the last time that we promised we're going to fight this year. Next year, I hope to see you here in Japan again with a big fight.
Floyd Mayweather.
Floyd Mayweather, yeah. I thought that you don't want me to say that. Yeah. Okay, but I'm excited for that. Thank you for always supporting Ryzen, all his promotions, and thank you so much. Sorry, Barasan.
Thank you very much.
What's up, everybody? Let's check it out. Exclusive PACQUIAO versus Mayweather. The greatest fight of all time is back, and hopefully Soul Money will dominate this one. Please subscribe. Let's check it out.
But when it comes to this, when it comes to boxing and competing and being the best, I'm not here to talk about what you did on the outside. I'm not here to talk about what nobody else did on the outside. I'm not here to talk about your personal life. When we talk about, you know, what's going on inside that square circle, I'm the best. No matter how you rate it, no matter how you cut it, no matter how you slice it, no matter if you go to 100 years back, 300 years back, all the way to now, there's only one best, and that's Floyd Mayweather.
It's gonna be a good boxing exhibition with Floyd. Floyd is he's in shape also. So please watch this fight, and thank you for this opportunity. As to Floyd, thank you for the opportunity.
今日はですね、
Hall of Famer, he's a Hall of Famer. But nobody has the remedy on how to beat Floyd Mayweather. From Manny, now Manny has a lot of experience, you know, at the highest level and competing at the highest level. And that makes this that much more interesting. But like I said before, there's no blueprint on how to beat Floyd Mayweather. And he can tell you that himself.
He's older than me. I'm still young, so and I'm always active with this sport. What I have done and accomplished in boxing, I think it's one of a kind, because to get a different weight division is not that easy. So that's a prestigious accomplishment in boxing, and I'm not trying to boast what I have accomplished in life, but I'm just saying this to repeat you might forget that accomplishment. So to be the greatest boxer in the world is to know how to of course be compassionate and to show the people that you're really a fighter. That's what I can say. A best fighter in the world has a humility, has his what we call this the compassion to other people who are in needs. So that's my respect to a best fighter in the world. Thank you.
Both of them have great egos. As you can see, it's going back and forth. Money is just saying, oh, I'm older, or like I'm younger than him, and Floyd is like, oh, I'm the best ever, and Money knows it. There's no like special way of beating me. There's no way of you ever beat me. That's it. And it's like a back and forth trash talk. Kind of reserved, just like their box. Kind of holding back like that. Like, oh yeah, and throwing very crisp punches, just like their trash talk. Now the face off is a very exclusive. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, buddy. Obviously, you know, gaining a little bit of weight since they're younger ages. But just look at them. Looking incredible.
この後
Oh, this is exclusive phase of between these two legends. Floyd a bit taller, but maybe the big sneakers. It's maybe the sneakers, right? That's the security guard of money, right?
I did a lot of this training camp. We did a few things, but not really a heavy training like what we did in the usual, the 12 round fight. But because this is just a 6 rounds and 2 minutes per round exhibition match. But we did a lot in training, and I think this is very good stepping stone to come back in boxing. We will see this Sunday's exhibition. I'll do my best to entertain people. This is an exhibition, and we'll still show my ability, our ability in the ring. He needs to show his everything. He's scared to death to face me in the ring again.
He's scared?
And he's scared, yeah. I can say that more action than compared to the first one, because the first one, you know, we know the fact that I have injury on my shoulder, so a war in the ring and then a lot of action in the ring.
So what would the result be?
The prediction is will not last 12 rounds, I think.
Wow, it won't last 12 rounds.
Woo!
Tremendous.
We know that since from the beginning, he's already feel like intimidated to me, and also scared to me to face in the ring. Manny Pacquiao is not done yet.
So it's quite impressive how things are going in boxing. This is one of the most beautiful fights ever, and believe it or not, I didn't expect it at all. There was some hints from his colleagues, and I'm like, is it a joke? And it was weeks ago, and I even posted it on social media. Fight is on, whatever. And then nothing, and now it's on. Now it's on, buddy. It's not going back. It's all about moving on forward and knowing that you're facing the legend in front of you. And I think Floyd should be really scared of this. Really should be scared, right? Since Floyd is really, absolutely just defensive, and we saw him getting caught by some of these YouTubers, right? So we'll see how it is gonna go. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Love you. It's on, baby. Let's rock.
Prerogative not to fight with me, that's his decision. But you know, the fans want to have a rematch with him, because to clear it out who's gonna be the legend, who's gonna be the champion, who's in the winner for us, to both of us. Easy to retire that way, but I didn't realize that I'm going back into the ring to keep on fighting.
How much did you miss it? Because I'll be honest with you, I'm a fight fan and I work in this business, but we have missed you. So welcome back. How much did you miss the sport of boxing?
I really miss boxing, because even though I'm retired, but I don't, you know, I don't get lazy for workout, in terms of workout, and stay in a physical condition.